Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have this Otterbox Defender Pro to review for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have the Otterbox Defender Pro for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The Defender Pro is probably one of the best heavy-duty cases out there that will protect your beautiful investment. I need to give a shout out to Otterbox for actually sending this case out to me for a review. In this video, we're going to see how good it fits. Also, can your wireless charge? What type of protection you get on this device? And then also, it's almost like an installation guide too. I'm going to show y'all how to install your phone in this case because it is a three-piece case. You do get a lot of people that don't know how to install it, so I'm going to try to show y'all in this video and still review it too. The packaging from them is spot on. The little otter thing up there, look at them. And then it says Drop Plus, 4-time tested, multi-layer defense. And it's even made out of 50% recycled plastic, if that's a big thing for you. If you want to pause that, you can definitely do so. But let's see what you get in the box. Now, you get some instructions down there, I see. I guess this is instructions or, I don't know. I'm not going to read that. We don't need that. Here's the case. Now, it even has instructions on here how to use the belt clip, but trying to get this off without ripping it is a challenge too. But so here's the case. I love the lines in there, but I don't know if the camera will pick it up. This pattern adds extra grip, and then it has this line or design there to have that extra grip too. Let me take it off the belt clip. And the belt clip is nice. You can use it as a kickstand, which I will show y'all too. Otterbox brand in there. But here's the case itself. Now, most people will try to put the phone in like that. It does not work. It will not go in there. You have to take this apart. You do have some branding in there. Defender Pro, Drop Plus. You have this little part here. I love the extra grip, y'all. Grip is everything, because if you drop your phone, this will, the grip helps you with not having a slippery phone. I know some cases actually are really slippery, but let's get into it. The way you want to install this is 3 pieces. So the first way is you just want to pull this back plastic off, or rubber, whatever you want to call it. You take this apart, not hard. This is where it gets tricky at. If you look on the back of here, it has little arrows on where it is clipped on. So you have to, and it has these little clips there too, all the way around. And you have to use your fingernails and kind of pop them apart. Now don't break it, because it could break. It's plastic. And then once you get all the clips off, it comes apart. And what I do is take my phone, I put it in here, and then you just kind of clip it back. You line up the holes there, and you just want to make sure you clip it all the way down and all the way around. You would take off the case the same way you are, putting it in there, but just back ways. So now you want to take this case and put it around the phone. Take your time, because it does take some time to work all these little edges around, all the way around. You want to make sure you have this rubber backing all the way around it. Now, like I said, take your time and do it. I'm trying to do this in the camera, so So you can see that it's in there now. So it's installed. It will not come out of its protective case. Now, doesn't have a built-in screen protector, but look at the lip action. Look at the lip action you get on both sides. You don't have to worry about, you know, if you place it down, this is how much protection you have. It's not touching at all. That's how much protection you get from your display. Then you also get the camera cut out. Now, it's not precisely cut, which is okay. I'm okay with that because look at the protection you get. The grip that you have on this case is phenomenal. Does it add bulk? Yes, this is a bulky case. It will protect your device because it is bulky. The cutouts at the bottom line up. You have the little flap here to cover the USB Type-C charging port. Then you also have the speaker there, and then the pen cutout. And the pen cutout is easy to get to. The reason why is because, again, it comes down to the frame of the phone. You do have Otterbox brand in there. Man, this case is definitely nice. This is why I like Otterbox, and the cutout up there too. But look at the side profile. Now the power button works great. The volume rockers are easy to press, nice and tactile. So power button's great, volume rockers are good. The fit is nice. Again, you don't have to worry about your phone falling off of or out of this case. You get extra grip. Everything lines up. The last thing, can you wireless charge? I don't think you will have a problem, but. And there, you can wireless charge without any issues. Now, the question is, here's the belt clip. You put the phone in your belt clip like this if you wanted to. And then you can turn it this way. And what you do is push this down and it locks, maybe, like a kickstand. So now you have a kickstand that you didn't have before. And my phone is bright. Try that again. So you have a kickstand like that. I guess you can actually even turn it around and do it this way too. So that's pretty cool. It's a nice little kickstand. Yeah, you can't do it that way. And then if you just want it back to the holster, there you go. And then if you just want to carry with the screen in there, you can do that way too. Not too bad. Now, I always get this question, how do you get it off? Like I just said, you find the little parts down here, and you just take it off the same way you put it on. You just take all this plastic off, then you take the little clips off, and the phone is out. I am not going to do that for this video because it's pretty common sense, and it's there. You just do the steps backwards. And I'm actually going to go use this case on this phone. The great thing about this too, you're not going to worry about dropping your phone and damaging it. So this is the Otterbox Defender Pro. If you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.